This video explains the project group box under the Start ribbon, which contains initial steps within a project. Self-explanatory buttons are not discussed in the following and will be highlighted in green, while functions that deserve more attention are tinted in magenta. The project group box features the following buttons: Create Project, Open Project, Last Recent Projects, Close Project, Change invalid scan file paths, Navigate to project directory in the Windows Explorer, Create Backup. Clicking this button creates and opens a new Scantra project with a scdb suffix to the chosen file name at a defined location. This file is a SQL-Lite database that contains the entirety of geometrical information ranging from detected planes, points to point identities, as well as references to the original point clouds. In addition, stochastic components are stored for every single observation that serve as weights within a block adjustment and consequently help to identify outliers. The database is accompanied by an INI file, which contains the chosen settings by a user. All generated data during processing is continuously added to the database. Hence, there is no need to explicitly save files. This dialog allows to update scan paths and to alter file names or extensions. If the Scantra database or the point clouds are moved with respect to each other, the original file references are no longer valid. Per default, a dialog for changing invalid scan file paths will open once Scantra is started. This function can also be helpful if several projects in other software should be updated without the necessity to repeat processing in Scantra. This button allows you to quickly archive a given Scantra project. The database and the settings file are copied and extended with a current timestamp. 4 different options for archiving can be chosen in the settings: either the standard Windows compression, the 7-zip compression, a specific compression tool, and the option to create the backup without compression.